Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. Happy new week to you. Happy new week everybody. So I join me. Let me I want to make my hair a simple just to stretch the hair with thread before I will start before I will weave it because the hair is so strong after I lose my braid yesterday. It's so strong. Though I just finished washing it. After I finish washing it, I look at it. I apply my leave-in condition. So I want to use this wool right now and just make African thread. I just thread it, so make it thread. That thread will help the hair to stretch. It will help it to look more softer. So once in a while I make thread. It will help the hair to soft, to stretch, instead of to use iron or stretch iron to stretch it. It's better you just use your thread to thread it, to make it straight. This one is more better than to iron the hair. So this is me. Though I will carry it for some days before I will now lose it and make it another. I will not lose it to weave in case if I want to weave it or I want to make any other style. So this is me. I'm almost done. It's so simple and easy because I'm cutting it big. Though I did not see my back where to cut it more neater. I don't want to waste time because before my baby will start crying. So this is me. I'm through. I'll now pack the hair together section. I like to tie 2 sections then. So it look beautiful, Sha. It look beautiful. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'll just manage it for some days, then before I will lose it. Before I will lose and make another type. Thank you for watching all my videos. Thank you. Please help me and share, comment and share and like. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Support me by subscribing. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, guys. So this is the hair. I'm done. I'm trying to tie it to one of the hair. You will not tie it for the other side. After this one now I will still tie the other one for the other side. I will tie it like this. This is it look like all this village hair. Those village hair. I love the hair, Sha. Not disturb me. Nobody will draw the hair. My children will not draw it. So this is my shiner gel. My shiner gel. So I'm using it for my edges to make my edges to sleep. See, I'm done though. See, fine girl. Thank you for watching. Bye.